Paddy Galloway is a master of YouTube. How? He knows the YouTube algorithm better than MrBeast. So he is a consultant of MrBeast and other big YouTube channels and help them to increase their views. In his own channel, he crossed 500,000 subscribers with only 33 videos. And the interesting part is, he did this without showing his face, but only with his voice. It means he knows something which we don't. And today we will find the exact strategies he applies in his channel to get this insane growth. These are the master strategies Paddy Galloway use. But the second is the one without which nobody click on his videos. If someone clicked, he leave the video. So he used the fourth strategy to stick viewer from the beginning to the end of his video. So start with strategy number 1. Use of extreme and powerful words. As you can see, he used the extreme and powerful words in the thumbnail, like the man who beat YouTube. He changed YouTube. The man who broke YouTube, and something like that. These words sound different from normal words, and when people see these extreme words, they have a curiosity to see how this man is beating YouTube. And the people who also want to beat YouTube, which is every YouTuber, clicked the video without thinking much. Because there is a second strategy applied on it, which is the big face of well-known YouTuber. When people see the face of a well-known YouTuber and people are already mad to know his secrets of beating YouTube, so they click on the video. Only 80% of people clicked. The third strategy catch the remaining 20% of people, which is create a question in the viewer's mind. If you read the title of its videos, you see he used the word how in maximum titles, such as how MrBeast made YouTube's greatest video. Paddy create a question in the viewer's mind, how does he beat YouTube and how can I do it? What if you apply these 3 strategies and people clicked on your video but they close your video after 10 to 30 seconds? So your whole struggle will be wasted, right? So here comes the fourth strategy. Create a hook in the beginning. ThepSygo. I already have heard this from many YouTubers that hook your audience in 10 to 30 seconds. Tell me, how can I hook them? Okay, he created a hook in the beginning and start the video directly without saying, "Hi guys, subscribe to my channel, like my video." No, he start the video with, "This is the smartest YouTuber on the platform. This is the master of YouTube," and something like that. He creates a curiosity in the mind of the viewer that what he is doing and what I learn from him. So they watch the whole video. It doesn't mean that you do the same. You can do experiment to see what works for you. Maybe you show the inner and interesting part of the video and something like that. It depends on you that how you hook your audience to show the whole video. I will make a detailed video on it. Until then, you subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.